New to the Canon Cinema EOS C300 Mark III or C500 Mark II cameras? Here are a few quick tips to get you started. A simple twist of the dial will turn on the camera or lock off all the buttons. The iris dial for EF lenses is located on the grip or on the operator side of the camera, next to the record buttons. Above that, a simple plus or minus will engage the built-in ND filters. Exposure and focus tools are in the next column of numbered buttons. To adjust the ISO, gain, or shutter, simply press the corresponding button and adjust the mode dial as your selection is highlighted on the touchscreen. White balance is just underneath. Pressing button number 10 and adjusting dial will cycle through white balance presets, while button number 11 will set a custom setting or allow dial adjustment to change your Kelvin temperature. To access the main menu, simply press the menu button and utilize the joystick and set or center press to navigate and select. For autofocus, set your EF lens to AF, then press Menu. Navigate to Camera Setup, column 4, then AF mode. Press Set to select your desired autofocus mode. One-shot mode will engage autofocus by holding down button 15 on the front of the camera until a green box confirmation. Continuous mode will engage autofocus continually anywhere the focus box is selected. Camera Setup, column 5, turns face detection on or off. Face priority will autofocus when no faces are present, while face only will only autofocus when the camera detects a face in the frame. For more information about the C300 Mark III or the C500 Mark II, please visit us at pro.usa.canon.com.